God, and I'm also grateful to the prayers of Edo people and Nigerians, because the prayers has gone beyond Edo. Everywhere I go, people meet me and say, look, we are praying for you, we are praying for you, outside Edo State, within Edo State. So for me, it's the prayer of Nigerians that has, again, God has answered this morning for dismissing the appeal filed by Edo State House of Assembly. And by the grace of God, all cases against me, because Nigerians and Edo people are with me in prayers, knowing fully well I'm the oppressed, and I'm the one being intimidated and harassed by anti-democratic forces. I know they will continue to pray for me, and victory will continue to be for us. For today, judgment is victory for democracy, is victory for the judiciary, and it shows that judiciary consistently has become the hope of the oppressed, the hope of the common man, and by the grace of God, that institution will continue to flourish. So this judgment is to Edo people, to Nigerians, and glory to God. I'm so excited and happy, because this is the main case really, because Edo State House of Assembly was the one that purportedly impeached me, and the case today has been dismissed. The appeal is dismissed and is dismissed. So I'm happy about it. And this, like I said, is victory for democracy, victory for judiciary, and victory for Nigerians that hate oppression.
The Court of Appeal, Abuja Division in Nigeria has dismissed an appeal brought before it by the Edo State House of Assembly in the impeachment case against Comrade Philip Shaibu. Shaibu remains the deputy governor according to the appeal court.